Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for JewelScent. This is Jewels of America, their monthly subscription, and this is my November box. So this month's location is Michigan, and the scent is Fireside Spice. Then it just talks about the scent a little bit. We also have our sticker, which I will put on here. There we go, on our map, and it looks like our item of the month is a wax dart that got a little beat up. Let me take a whiff. It smells good. I'm trying to see if there's fragrance notes on here. I don't think there is. Huh. No, I don't really see fragrance notes though. So this is just their essentials, so there's no jewelry in here, but there is a ring inside the candle. And the ring is at least $40. And here's what that looks like. Doesn't look very full. I feel like it smells slightly like cinnamon and maybe like nutmeg, but then also a tad bit like a Christmas tree, which is really random. I actually thought it was a Christmas tree scent when I was smelling it through the box. So, interesting. I'm going to go ahead and start burning this. It's right there at the bottom, so I'll probably burn it, put it on the warmer, and I'll be back to show you what rings inside. Okay, so we had it burning, I don't know, maybe an hour. So most of it's melted from being on the warmer, but I could see the ring, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. And it wasn't as fragrant as they usually are, but it did smell good. Look at that. It looks like a bulky ring. Ugh. Anyways, it smelled good. Definitely smelled like cinnamon and some other spice that it just reminded me of like a fall scent. I know that may not help, but definitely reminds me of fall. It smells good. Just wasn't as strong of a scent throw as usual. Let's take a look at the ring. What do you think it smelled like, Jackson?
I haven't smelled it yet.
Here, smell this and see what you think it smells like. The look on his face. It looks like he's thinking, what do you think it smells like? Ooh, it's gold.
It smells good.
It does? Oh, that's hideous. Ah! Not only is it gold, but it's my first... Oh my god. I feel like their jewelry has changed so much. And not for the good. Wait till you see this. It reminds me of St. Patrick's Day. Oh my god, it's terrible. Oh, just...
Might want to get rid of that one.
Said you might want to get rid of that one. That's so funny. So that's my $40 code, I believe. So I'll double check, clean up, and then I'll show you a better view. Okay, so it did appraise for $40, and I typically don't like gold, and y'all know I hate my birthstone, which is right there. So at first glance I was like, ew. But I don't know, now that I keep looking at it, it's kind of growing on me in a very weird way. Like, it's kind of fun. It's definitely not like, okay, maybe it doesn't look that good on, it's kind of big. It's definitely not like your typical kind of ring. But I could see it being fun with like some outfits. I don't know. What do you guys think? Love it or hate it? Leave me a comment. I definitely, you know, I have a special place in my heart for JewelScent because it was like the first company I found that I really liked for hidden jewelry. And I really want to finish my map. So I'm definitely going to see that through. But I'm not a fan of the style of jewelry they've kind of went to. I feel like it used to look more like fragrant jewels, nicer, daintier, and now it's like real costume jewelry, bulky. I don't know. Maybe I just got a bad ring this month, so we'll see. Stay tuned if you want to see what state is next and what ring I get. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.